Examples of planned corrective maintenance. Imagine an asset has several fans. The asset can still operate properly if one breaks, and there are lots of extra fans in your storeroom, which means repairs are quick and inexpensive. Because of this, you decide to let the fans run until one of them fails and then replace it at that point. This is an example of run-to-fail corrective maintenance. Let's say you perform a preventive maintenance inspection on a conveyor system every 2 weeks. During one of these inspections, you find that some bearings have been damaged, so you replace them. This is an example of preventive corrective maintenance.